Hello everybody, the Nine-Tailed King here, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfer. So, let's get into it. Now, I don't know if you can hear me or not. Hopefully you can. I'm not too good with this computer stuff. Well, the technological value of online gaming. Hold on. Um, I'm not sure if you can hear me now. Uh, so, let's get down to it. Let's see how long I can last. I'm probably going to do this for about, I don't know, for about a couple of minutes. I don't know. Well, let's just see how it goes. I'm sorry I'm not talking a lot. It's just, I don't talk a lot. I'm a very introverted person. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But I have to find stuff to talk about. So if y'all want to talk about something, comment in the down below. Crap. I'm horrible at this. Wow. I suck. Crap. I really suck at this. Oh man. I'm gonna use this just to get as far as possible. But yet, they're automatically right behind me again. I don't know how. It'd be cool if something like this would happen in real life. Not, I mean, like, virtual gaming. Like, you put on some headgear and it transports your mind into the game. I mean, I think that'd be cool. I don't know about anyone else. Crap. But that's what I like. Now, I'm not a big gamer or anything, but I love to play a good game. That was my fault. I'm sorry if I'm being a bit quiet. That was my fault too. I'm getting very sleepy. I don't know why. Oh, I had to focus. Oh, I almost fell. Well, crap. Oh, I got a radio. crap. I do not want to do this. God. Why? Shut up. Jeez. Why? I hate friggin' ads. I hate them so much. Alright. Sorry about that. Thank you. I hate ads. Thank God I don't have to go to high school anymore after this year. If any teenager who goes through what I have to, I don't know, it's just, you feel me? I guess. I feel your pain, I guess. I don't know. Well, I guess every person has to go through this torture once in a while. Well, after I die this time, I'm probably gonna get off and go to sleep. Well, I'll see you later. Are his feet backwards? No, they're not. Well, I'll see you dudes later. Chill out for now. Bye.